Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Path of Exile 2 for beginners, only way. Start by choosing a class and a simple skill gem setup to avoid confusion. Learn core mechanics like movement, dodging, and positioning while you level. Focus on upgrading one main weapon and key defensive nodes on the passive tree. Practice mapping and crafting basics slowly, and ask for help in trade channels when you need gear advice. Path of Exile 2 centers on skill gems, sockets, and the passive tree, so become familiar with those systems early. Link gems in the right order to boost damage or defense, and keep flasks ready for survival. Prioritize passives that boost your main damage or resistances, and avoid spreading points too thin. Remember to test skill interactions in town and adjust gear to support your core playstyle. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more beginner tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long raids and mapping sessions, and it fits easily in cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals to stay refreshed while you play. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. While leveling, use recommended gems and focus on one clear damage path so you don't get overwhelmed by options. Keep your weapon and armor upgraded every few acts to avoid falling behind enemy damage scaling. When you start dying often, shift passive points toward resistances and life to stabilize your runs. Take breaks to read vendor gear and ask for quick build tips from experienced players in global chat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.